It has to be out there somewhere.
Keep looking, Cap.
I've got a good feeling about this.
All right, picking it up now. Clear the line, we're almost there. Tension's good, keep it steady. Keep it steady. Down slow, okay? And stop. Good work.
Well, that's not gonna buff right out. That's some serious growth.
All right, let's get this old girl tied down. Almost there. Let's get this old girl fixed up. All right. Time to get this gunk off. Look at that rust. Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Well, at least we know what we're dealing with now. All right, that's done.
Come on, you old piece of junk. Nothing.
I've got to get this open.
Push. No, no, no. Back away. All right, let's get to work.
All right, this is brittle. Oh, there we go. It's coming apart. Got it. All right, time to rip this thing out. Oh, there we go. Got the wires. Tangled mess, but I'll sort it out.
All right, hook secured. Checking the tension. Slow and steady, here we go. All right, just a little further. There we go. Almost there. Keep it steady, Alden. Got it. Done. Nice work.
All right. This is gonna take a while. There, a hairline fracture. Nothing a little welding can't fix.
Measure twice, cut once. Got to make sure this fits perfectly. All right, that looks right. Now for the cutting. Almost there, just a little more. Perfect, exactly what we need. All right, that looks secure. All right, this should do it. Looks perfect.
All right, stubborn one, gotcha. Give it here. Just need a little leverage. There. Heavy, there we go.
All right, let's get this cleaned up. All right, let's take a look. Perfect. That should do the trick. All right, first one in. Easy does it on the second. All right, that's it. Right on spec. All right, time to install the main gear.
Yeah.
Checking the alignment now.
Perfect.
Perfect. She's seated correctly. All right, these springs look perfect. Just need to seat this shock correctly. Tightening the final bolt now. Feels solid, good to go. All right, time to set this in. Just a little to the left. Perfect, done.
Tightening this last one up now.
Check the torque when you're done.
Will do.
Holy dźwięk stębany.
All right, measure twice, cut once.
All right.
Almost there, just a fraction more.
Okay.
Perfect. Ready for the mix.
Time for the final coat. Looking good. Perfect. The shine on that is incredible.
All right, perfect. Ooh. It's beautiful. Looks like new. Perfect. All right, let's get this leather ready. That's looking perfect. Quality work. All right, keep it tight. Just a little more pressure. Perfect. Staple here. Another one there. Perfect fit. The leather trim holds it just right. All right, easy now. Just a little further. There, perfect. All right, that should do it. Connection secure. Looks good. Now for the final tightening. Ooh. Perfect, it's solid. All right, time to get this door panel mounted.
Fits like a glove.
And now for the handle. All right, that's secure.
Okay.
Looking good, Alden. Perfect fit. Just like new.
Yeah.
All right, the moment of truth. Perfect fit.
Perfect fit.
Just need to secure it.
Yes, got it. Finally. Perfect. She's running like a dream.
All right, beauty, let's show you off.
Can't say it again. Wow,
Keep her tuned up, Alden. Happy trails. Thanks, I will.